Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza, and this is Nick Schmidt of Sunshine State RVs.
What's up, Hank? How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm wonderful, man. Super excited you came out lunch with me today.
I know.
Got a fresh haircut.
Freshly dipped.
Got 2 watches on.
Woo! This is not a watch.
That is a watch.
This is a watch.
You have 2 watches on.
This is a medical device, essentially.
2 watches on, fresh haircut. We just had lunch. I mean, there's no better day, is
ready
there?
to rock. I'm ready to rock and roll.
You are
ready to rock and roll.
To rock and roll.
And we have a very cool van that you can only get this particular makeup layout, however you want to put it.
All of it, yeah.
Only right here at SSRV, right?
Yeah, Sunshine State RVs. It's cool when a manufacturer reaches out and says, hey Nick, I want to make a van specifically for you that no one else in the country can sell except Sunshine State RVs. I'm like, wow, is this like called the Nick Special or something? Like, what is it?
Oh yeah, of course, you would love that.
I mean, that's
anyone who's watching this, that's what you call it. Yeah.
The Nick Mobile. I don't know. What do you call it?
Yeah. The only person who would buy it is you in that case.
This is the Drift by Outside Vans, and the reason we're talking about it today is because we're going to have Outside Vans, we're going to have this Drift, and we're going to have this Syncline in Tampa at the Tampa Summer Show on June 18, 19, 20, and 21.
Right. It's like the Tampa Bay Summer Show, something like that. It's called
Tampa Bay.
It's something. Why is it always a weird thing?
Summer Show. It's 3 words. Tampa Summer Show.
Whatever it is,
not that weird.
It's kind of an engram. I know we're getting it wrong.
Really?
I'll put it in down here, but it is coming up.
Summer Show.
Yeah. This is your warning. You want to hang out with Nick.
Yes, and you, Hank.
No, not me.
Is it too hot for you to go out in the sun?
I don't think I'm going to be there. But I will be there in spirit.
There we go.
You know?
There we go.
I will be there.
The Tampa Summer Show, June 18, 19, 20, and 21. Outside Vans is one of the vans that we're bringing.
Okay.
So we will have this Syncline. This is a 19-foot Sprinter van.
Yeah.
With the roof racks, the light racks. I mean, look at this full Fox suspension. I mean, look at that suspension.
The suspensions on these Outside Vans, I think because, of course, they're partnered up with Fox.
They're owned by
Racing.
Fox.
Yeah.
They're owned by Fox Racing. This is the 19-foot version of it, and it's pretty spectacular.
These are all beautiful. Let's flip around real quick. I just got to show the people. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that. And then look at this from this side. That's crazy.
This like really cool wood looking side.
Yeah.
You got the drop down bed. You have a chair here.
Yeah.
I mean, even like stuff like this here. I mean, how cool is that?
That is very cool.
I mean, they make all this stuff. I don't even know how to undo it now.
It's too cool for you, Nick. Oh, look, even Nick can figure that out. Wow. Wow.
So, you know, lithium, all-wheel drive, sound system,
Really
Garmin
nice.
system. I mean, everything. I mean, this thing goes up and down.
This bed is, can we go around here? No, I don't know if we have room to open. Because we're right out on the bleeding edge.
We put all this, let's see, look at
Oh,
that.
you clear it? Oh, very close, very close.
There, the same thing there.
Yeah, look at that. So not a traditional bathroom in this.
Correct, not a traditional bathroom, but there is a porta potty with a shower set up, and then you have
tons
of
room.
Whole garage back here. You have an outside shower here. You got a shower on the other side. You have, I mean, so much. You have built-in air compressors. You got, it's lifted. You have an upgraded sound system.
I think, don't they also make their own gear? Because all of this that we're seeing is them, right?
All of this is made by Outside Vans in their factory.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't buy any of that stuff.
Really nice setup. If you want to do off-road, like off-road overlanding kind of stuff, but I know you have several options, but I like the Outside Van option.
The same thing here. This is the 19-foot. This is the 22-foot version of it. Full front and rear suspension.
Correct me if I'm wrong. These are built as are these built as dualies and then they convert it?
No, these are built as super singles.
They are built as super singles.
The Rossmonster, which we're about to talk about in a second, that's built as as a dually and it's converted.
Okay, so but this is built as a super single like we're seeing here.
Correct.
Okay, cool.
This has the lights. This has lights here. It has lights. I mean, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 LED headlights on the front of this thing.
Really nice.
Isn't that nuts?
Yeah. Yeah.
Lifted, it has
You know what it's missing? Every single one should have your face right here.
People would pay less money if that was the case, actually. They would pay less money.
No, these are really nice. Very nicely set up. Yeah.
Nice,
beautiful color.
Nice setup inside also.
Yeah.
So air compressor mount right here. You got your fridge. They're getting the same thing. The sound system. The all
this
their
is very
cabinetry,
open, and this has a rear bath. Look at
and that's what I think is the best thing about this.
I like that this is two-tone
too.
too.
Isn't that cool? So
yeah. Look at that. Look at this, Nick.
This is the biggest rear bath on a Sprinter van with a separate shower. So you shower in here, and then you go to the bathroom here.
Cassette.
And it's totally separate. You keep all the water in it. This is what they call like a dry bathroom.
Is it?
A separate?
I guess, all your water stuff is going on over here.
All the water stuff stays there. You have a sink, a toilet, and all that here. I mean,
and then you don't have a black tank with this to dump.
So this shower curtain comes around.
Yeah.
I spent 5 minutes trying to move it out of the way, and I just undid it. Yeah. So this, obviously your doors are shut, but this is put there so you can have...
You know what else I like? I like that they have these Molly panels all in here.
Yeah.
Really cool.
And you know, when I first saw it, I didn't like the idea of not having windows.
Yeah.
But I like it for insulation. I like it for privacy. And then you can do this because there's no windows there.
Yeah.
So that adds storage up here and down here.
Which is great.
Yes, it is. So, you know, this is the cassette
nice
toilet.
Step up.
Cassette toilet here. Tons of lithium, nice step. You have built 2 air compressor spots here. You have the Gree air conditioner.
Oh, cool.
So much great stuff. The Garmin system is in here. So much great stuff in this drift that, I mean, it's...
Yeah, it's a shame this is sitting here and not on a beach somewhere.
So, it should be on a beach. You know, pretty cool. The first time I ever saw one of these was in the Tampa Super Show.
That's right,
in January. And the first outside van that we sold of that show was this exact model. A guy.
It was like this, but this one is styled a little differently. It was the same thing? Oh.
This is our second
It had these white boxes.
White boxes.
Oh, cool.
Tire wheels.
Yeah, I remember the tires.
There's even lights up there on the roof rack there. You got your air compressor plug down there, which is nice.
Yeah, that is nice.
And then even on the side here, this is made
to
hold a
surfboards or kayaks.
Stand-up paddleboard or kayak or bikes or something.
Yeah.
So this has hooks on it that is made to hang stuff from.
Cool.
Isn't that cool?
These are cool.
So
I gotta say that. Yeah, nice.
So at the Tampa Super Show in January, we sold the very first drift the second day of the show.
Oh.
And everyone who walked by was like, that's the coolest RV I've seen. Absolutely loved it. And so we're going to the Tampa Summer Show, June 18, 19, 20, and 21. We will be in Tampa, and we're going to have this drift there. We're also going to have that Syncline there.
Right. Now, let me ask you, what if someone comes to this show and, you know, they want something else? I'm just saying, not knocking anything here. Yeah. But what if they want to get something else from you that you didn't bring to the show?
That we didn't bring. So like Coachman or Winnebago or Tiffin or something, they can order that from us.
Cool.
So we will be taking orders at the show. Because of territory laws and all that, we can't bring Coachman to the show.
Okay.
Even though we're Coachman's #1 dealer in the world, we can't bring Coachman to the show. We can't bring a lot of different brand Winnebago to the show. We can't bring Storyteller to the show. Okay. But we're going to bring Midwest. We got a couple Midwest vans here.
Right.
We did a video on that the other day.
Yes, we did. That's
we're going to bring Road Trek. Road Trek
there
and
we
Agile.
Go. Oh, cool.
We're going to bring the Agile to the
what's
show.
this? Oh,
this is
Winnebago.
Well, let me show that.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Winnebago.
This is a Winnebago.
We can't bring this.
Yeah.
But this is the Parks. So this is the same floor plan as the Drift.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
Except it doesn't have the upgraded suspension.
I like
it has
that.
some different colors.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the lights on the front. So if you want something, I don't want to say it's dumbed down, but if you want something that doesn't have like the power running boards, it doesn't have the air compressor, but it's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, not as fancy dancy.
Not as fancy dancy. You don't need all that stuff. I mean, it still has the nice tires and wheels. It still has a Mercedes all-wheel drive.
Okay, so doesn't look like it has a
stock suspension. So this is more of a blank canvas that you can go through and do whatever you want on it, but it has the great floor plan. So it still has the Garmin. It still has the lithium. It still has the wide open.
Oh, this is still a rear bath.
It's still a rear bath. I mean, look at this. It still has all the same windows, everything wide open. Let me turn the lights on so you can see.
Yeah.
It still has it still has everything in here, but it doesn't have.
It has this. This is a big Garmin.
That's a big Garmin, isn't it?
So this just has one Garmin in it, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. One big Garmin there.
Okay.
Batteries are turning on right now.
Yeah. But here, if you guys want to get any extra info, you can use the QR codes off of these.
Yeah. So
so basically the same floor plan,
let's go around the
just
back
not
and
as
we can
fancy,
open it
right?
Correct.
I
don't want to say
the
fancy.
system has to probably come on and
exact same floor plan. Like, for instance, you know what Outside told me?
There's no
Outside
box.
Vans called me, Clayton, friend from Outside Vans called me and said, hey Nick, what if I shipped you a box to put on the back of that? You think that'd help it sell? I was like, well, it definitely won't hurt it from selling, Clayton. He's like, okay. I got a box in the mail for you.
Oh, cool. Okay. So there might be a box going with this
No, there
one.
will be. So that's something that...
Cool.
That's something...
Some people may not want a box, though.
They may not, but that's how outside van rolls. If something's not moving, they call me and say, hey, let's throw a box on the back, or I think that might help it sell. Hey, let's do a rebate. I think that might help it sell. You know, something like that. So this is that same big bathroom with the same toilet, the same shower. That's your in. I got the plug in here right now. Same shower here. You know, so great layout.
Yeah.
Just, you know,
this is very open. This is very open.
Yes.
Yeah, I like this.
People really,
I like this kind of a style.
Like this.
You know, there's taller people that need more room, or just bigger people that want more room. And to me, this works because you have a big bathroom, and then you have tons of space up there.
Twin beds.
Yeah.
Nice big kitchen. So
and you do have here a more quote unquote traditional versus that 144 that we just saw.
Yeah. And
so I get it. Yeah.
And you're a rear bath guy, so this is something you can you know, relate to that floor plan.
Yeah.
So besides Rossmonster, that's one of the Overland vans we're going to be taking to the show.
Right.
We're gonna be, besides outside van, that's one of the vans we're going to be taking to the show. We're going to be taking Rossmonster also.
Oh, Skye.
So we are the only dealer for Rossmonster in the eastern United States.
So are you getting all the different Rossmonster models? Because people ask me.
We are.
Okay.
We don't have them now.
Okay.
We have a Haven coming.
You do?
This is the Skye. We have the Loft coming. We have a Trail coming. So we're going to carry all.
Is the Loft the one with the tent? With the pop? I don't know.
No.
No.
The Loft is sweet.
The Haven is the one with the tent?
Well, no, this is the one with the pop top.
Oh, this is the one with the pop top.
This is
okay.
the Skye.
Okay.
So this has it. So something that they call, the Rossmonster Skye calls this their adventure ready. So this has the Van Compass suspension.
Oh, I see right there.
They did bigger wheels, bigger tires. They lifted it. They did the running board. Then they took the dually and they turned it into a single.
Oh, so this is what I was talking about. Okay, so this was a dually, and then they converted it. So that's covered, right? Like everything's covered because they did it. They're authorized.
Covered under warranty.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Sweet.
And they give you the bump out, so you have the bigger bed there. This one actually has a pop top. Me and you have done videos on this. This actually has a pop top on top of it.
Yeah.
Then when you come in here, you have 1,000 amp hours of lithium batteries. You have solar. You have this seat here.
Oh, I remember this now. The pop top's in the back.
Yes. So this here can sit this way, or you can swivel around to face the front with seat belts and everything.
Yep.
And then as you're coming through here, this has the really cool loft bed.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, yeah. It's all coming back to me now.
It's all coming back. It's all coming back to me
there we go. Yeah.
So this folds down.
Does pop up and everything.
This
Check out the video we did on this if you want to see.
And then this comes down.
Cool.
Just like that.
Yeah.
How sweet is that?
Yeah, I like it.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah. I think that I don't know a lot about Rossmonster. We have been looking at it, right? I think we've done a couple of things.
We have.
What's the name of the one that was a pickup? That was a pickup truck.
The Baja Trail.
The Baja. So you can have those, right? But I think are those special or something?
No,
or?
we have a
so you'll have some. Okay.
Well, anyways, this is locked. So nice big bathroom with a shower. You got a heater in here for when it gets cold.
Yeah.
I don't know where the lights buttons
I think those are also like actual Overland people, like the outside van guys. You know. Yes. So yeah.
There we go. Let's see.
Where are we at on this
Interior
one?
lights.
Oh,
so I love the LED lights here, the lights underneath. Yeah, I mean, you have, this has the Van Compass 4.3 suspension, super single conversion.
Can I show this?
Of course. Owl Ladder, Starlink.
Nice.
3-year warranty from Rossmonster, Garmin, 1,000 amp hours of lithium, 400 watts of solar, 3,000 watt inverter, everything.
This is my little interjection.
What's your little interjection?
Someone who's building a van who doesn't offer you Starlink, what are you doing?
Everything should have Starlink.
At least the offer.
Right.
You know, the ability to go to Starlink.
Isn't that the sweetest thing you've seen in an RV before?
It's nice. It's a nice, this is like, you know, something you might have in your crib.
Yeah.
Yeah.
MTV
cool.
Cribs. We should do a version of Cribs.
Oh boy. We should. We'll do that when we do our Buc-ee's video.
I thought we were going to Buc-ee's yesterday. What happened to you? You never showed up to
Oh,
pick me
thanks,
up.
Nick. Yeah, don't believe that.
You never showed up.
We're going to Buc-ee's.
We are going
You just
to Buc-ee's.
always keep getting busy.
Hey, how
You're
about
always
this?
doing summer shows and this and
If
that.
you come to the Tampa show with me, we can stop at Buc-ee's on the way.
No.
It's too hot. Poor Hank doesn't want to sweat.
No, we're going to have to make that its own special thing.
So something else pretty cool that they do here. I know we got bushes and streets and all that. But this, never mind. We can't fit that.
Yeah, it's too crazy back here.
But they got a big spare tire with a ladder.
We have a video of this. Yeah.
We do. We have a full video of this.
Yeah, I think you also have some videos on your channel, which is just Sunshine State RV.
We do, and then they have the LED lights up there also.
Yeah. Cool.
So, you know, they go all, they call this adventure ready. So this is totally adventure ready. This is probably on the same level. I mean, obviously they do things different, but how like that drift is, that drift is totally ready to go.
Yeah.
The Rossmonsters go. I mean, there's really not much more you can do to those things. Now, to this one here, you can do some upfitting and upgrading and stuff.
I feel like you can go in this. It's all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
The suspension is lifted already a little bit. Yeah.
There's lots of cool
if you're
stuff
not
you
getting,
can do.
yeah.
But we're gonna have an Overland selection. I don't know if there's ever been like an Overland area at the Tampa Summer Show, but we are bringing the action.
Yes, and I think
the action.
I think this show will be a good opportunity for people who have not like seen these in person.
Yeah.
To come see it in person, actually hang out with you.
And that's what's so great about the shows is that there's a lot of variety there, all in one place. You don't have to go from dealership to dealership to dealership. You just pay your $5, you walk in the show, and you can see every dealership that's there. There's gonna be hundreds and
Is that $5 for the whole weekend?
I have no idea.
Oh, all right.
It might not even be $5. I got no idea.
It is $5.
It's $5.
Yeah, it is $5. Yeah.
Well, there you go.
I don't know if it's for the whole weekend.
Typically no.
But go to you'll see the thing here. We'll put a link.
Perfect.
Yeah, in there for it. What is it? The Florida Fairgrounds, folks?
Florida State Fairgrounds.
Yeah.
Canada Mike will be there. I'll be there. We'll have Road Trek there. We'll have Midwest Vans. Ron from Midwest will be there. Clayton from Outside Vans will be there. So the other great thing about a show is that you get to meet the reps. So Clayton lives in Oregon where these are made. He works at the factory.
He drives
so
these. Yeah,
any very
he goes
specific,
camping.
detailed, technical questions you have, you can come to a show and get it answered in person right there with the representative. Same thing with Road Trek. Same thing with Midwest Vans. I mean, Ron Preston from Midwest Vans is coming from Indiana. He has 2 kids and a pregnant wife, and he is coming from Indiana to hang out with us.
Right.
And you can't even drive 2 hours because it's hot.
I mean,
it's too hot to go sit in the sun. It's an indoor show. I mean, most of the show's inside.
Are you trying to guilt trip me?
There's some outside.
I
mean, you're not going to get much darker.
Lola's looking at this right now. She's going, man, Nick is he's spreading that guilt on thick. Putting the guilt on. You met the wrong guy.
No such thing as guilt.
No, I don't have that guilt programming. No, it'll be fun. Go hang out with these guys.
Yes.
You know, it'll be fun. Mary might be there.
Mary is coming. Actually, she told me, because the show kind of got sprung on us last minute, and I went to her, I said, hey, baby, there's this RV show coming up. She was, Nick, I kind of planned for me and you to do something for your birthday that weekend. I was like, well, business is calling, sorry. And she's like, okay, that's fine, I'll go. I'm like, okay. So Mary's coming. I know she'll go to the show. But she'll be hanging out in St. Pete, Tampa.
That's cool.
Spa.
She'll be around. She'll be around.
How about this? What if Lola and Mary go to the spa and then me and you work during the day like real men should do?
Lola already.
Men go hunt and the women spa? I don't know how that deal works.
No comment. I think we got to wrap this one up. I definitely don't want to get in trouble.
No.
So yeah, I don't. Not that.
I was trying to send our wives to the spa. How much trouble can we get into?
Not at this juncture.
We're at the Tampa Summer Show, June 18, 19, 20,
there you go.
and 21.
All right. He'll see you guys out there.
I'll see you there.
All right, we're out. Peace.